You're wondering how to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. You've noticed that they've started appearing, and you're wondering, is there an easy solution for home? The Wave Pro is the ultimate multitasker. It has 3 specific modes, each with its own electrical current. You can extract, infuse, and lift all with one device. Mode 1, extract. We are using a negative ionic current, forcing it into the skin so it can charge the dirt and oil to be extracted from the pores. Mode 2, infuse. Your skin is actually a protective barrier, and it's made to keep things out, which means your expensive skincare, your serums, your lotions you're investing in, they're only sitting on the top of your skin. That's why this mode is so great. Infuse is going to use positive ion energy. We're going to activate those serums and propel them deeper into the skin. Mode 3, lift. We are using an electrical current to give you that awakened and lifted appearance. This is going to be the perfect workout for your skin to help tone those muscles and give yourself a bright, youthful look. Mode 1, extract. We are using a negative ionic charge, forcing it into the skin to loosen up the oil and dirt in the pores. This is going to make it easier to extract. Mode 1, extract. We are using a negative ionic charge, forcing it into the pores to extract the dirt and oil from the skin. Mode 2, infuse. Your skin is a protective barrier. It's made to keep things out. That's why you need to use the infuse mode. We are using positive ions to activate the serums that are sitting just on the first layer of your skin and driving them deeper. Mode 2, infuse. Your skin is a protective barrier. It's actually made to keep things out. So your expensive serums and skincare, they're actually just sitting on the top layer of your skin. That's why you need the infuse mode. We're going to activate the serums using positive ion energy, and we're going to activate the serums and propel them deeper into the skin. Mode 2 is infuse. Your skin is a protective barrier, and it's actually made to keep things out. So your expensive skincare, your serums and your lotions that you're investing in, they're only sitting on the top surface of your skin. That's why you need to use the infuse mode. We're going to have positive ion charge that is activating those serums and propelling them deeper into the skin.